Samsung 980 Pro, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. I finally got it. So I'll be using this for my operating system drive and a few games that go on that, but I also have 4.5 terabytes of other NVMe SSDs as well, so I got plenty of space. But yeah, you can see there, 980 Pro is really nice. I'm still amazed at how small these things are getting. But yeah, so this is going to go in my new Intel 12900K build, Asus ROG Strix, gaming Wi-Fi D4 motherboard. So I'm assembling all that today. Stay tuned, guys. Check out my pinned video.